Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And before I move on to anything, look at this right here. Last week over here it was like negative 20 degrees Celsius in Texas and it was snowing everywhere, ice everywhere. And this week it's like 22, feels like 75 Fahrenheit, and it feels like spring over here. It's sunny, the snow's gone. Texas is bipolar, I swear. Alright, so I'll be deleting the secondary air pump today. So this right here is the secondary air pump. So what the secondary air pump does is it makes your car run lean when you start it up, because your stock cats and your stock headers need to warm up. So it forces your car to run lean. And I'll be deleting it because I'm going aftermarket catless headers and I won't be needing it, and it looks kind of ugly over here in my opinion. And weight savings, I think it weighs like 8 or 10 pounds. So to do this right here, you're gonna need an EGR block off plate and a gasket, and take off 3 bolts or 4 bolts and get it out. But I think it's like 20 bucks on FCP. I was about to get it, but Kevin hit me up. He was like he can make the plate for me. So I'll be going to Kevin's place, and he has a cool shop, cool build. Let's see, he's gonna help me out. So I'll see you guys at Kevin's place. All right, so we're over here at Kevin's place. We're about to take off the secondary air pump over here, take off the EGR. We're at a shop right now. So he's just bolting on the nuts over there. It's 2 10mm nuts, I believe. Right, Kevin?
Yeah, 2 10mm nuts. One of them comes out as a stud. The other one comes out just the nut.
So this is the part that came off.
Yep.
That's the valve right here. And we're just replacing it with a plate that looks just like this one right here.
And what we're doing is actually super simple. I'm just gonna draw an outline of this on some metal and then cut it out and drill 2 holes. And then we'll just put a sealant gasket over it, and that's it. There's really no reason to pay
20 bucks.
No, that's silly.
Alright, so this is the one Kevin made.
Just a little quick. We're not trying to be sexy, we're just trying to be functional.
So we took the secondary air pump off right here. And it's probably like 3 bolts. How many bolts was that?
It's just 1 bolt, and then it's got 2 little slip-in clips.
Probably like what, 8 pounds, 10 pounds?
Yeah, like
weight savings. Alright, so usually the videos I watch, they left that bracket in over here, but Kevin, he's an OG. He took the entire thing off. Kevin, how did you do that?
Yeah, so it's just the 1 bolt here, and everybody thinks that there's bolts here, but these are actually just slip-in clips. So you have to take this bolt off, and there's one right there. You just kind of pull it upwards. Because if you pull it to the side, it'll break and it won't come out. Or if you pull it this way, it'll also break and you won't be able to get it out. So just make sure you're grabbing it, like get a good grip, and not just one side. You don't want to do this. You want to pull it up just directly. Easy peasy.
So Twin Line Garage, if you're still watching it, instead of shaving it, just do what he said. Alright, so we started the car, running fine, and No check engine light for me. I don't know what's happening, but I guess I'm lucky. Excuse the DSC line because I haven't coded that in yet, but once I do it, all those lights are gonna go away. Alright guys, so we took a long break because we had a slight mishap. I busted up the pipe right over here to the expansion tank, so Kevin was nice enough to go get me a new rubber hose, and then we worked on it, and then he had to go do some work for his business. I went to the gym, went to play some soccer. We're back over here. It's like 10 p.m. Everything's good. We're just having a slight coolant leak, but we're gonna fix it right now. And yeah, that's it. And deleting the air box is pretty simple. I mean the air pump. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, if it helped you, hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.